I just now came all the way back out here to Lake Stevens, all the way out here in the middle of nowhere to come get this parts truck right here. Oh, this thing looks like a nightmare. This little tight edge right here. I can't even pull my trailer up any closer. You see what the land looks like? I gotta go down this little tight driveway right here. So I'm trying to maneuver and figure out how I'm finna load this thing up without the back axle falling off. It starts right up. Sound like it run pretty good. I guess it wasn't a bad deal. $800 for a parts truck. Look where I'm at, way out here in the middle of Lake Stevens. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna load it up on here because this angle right here, and I don't want the back axle to fall off. Because the rear end is broken. This axle right here is just barely sitting in there. And all this junk in here. I'm finna throw all this stuff on the ground. Or should I just haul it away with me? Yeah, they might get upset if I throw it on the ground. Yep, I'm finna load this thing up, get up out of here, get back in traffic. No time to play. I'll catch everybody on my next adventure when I get back to my destination. Have a wonderful day.